everyone, I am Srishti Datta and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you everything about the viral pimple patch that claims to remove your pimple overnight. So without wasting a second, let's get started. What is a pimple patch? In simple words, pimple patches are circular stickers that are filled with moisture absorbing ingredient hydrochloride. Now, how does pimple patch work? The patch sticks to your face and hydrochloride dries the pimple and absorbs every moisture ingredients like pus, dirt, oil from the area. It also stops the fluid to spread and cause more pimples. And if you are a pimple popper, then this is the best product for you because it stops you from committing this big crime with your skin, as it coats the pimple and protects it from your fingers. What makes pimple patch more effective is salicylic acid. Salicylic acid allows it to deeply penetrate the pores and clear sebum actively to prevent acne breakout. There are many products available in the market, but I personally love the Dermaco's Microtive Salicylic Acid Patch as they are very effective in removing pimples and also contain salicylic acid and Microtive technology. Now let's see how to use these patches. Take the Microtive Salicylic Acid Patch and simply pick up one patch with your nails. As you all can see, I have an active pimple near my lips. So we are going to apply the patch directly on our pimple and press a little bit. Then leave it on your skin for 6 to 8 hours or overnight. Now here is a tip for you. After removing your patch and washing your face, apply the Dermaco's 10% niacinamide serum all over your face and specifically on the pimple part. Niacinamide serum helps to reduce acne marks and controlling sebum production. It also helps to visibly improve large pores and prevent acne. So it's the best thing to use after using pimple patches. You can also use this special coupon code to get 20% off on these products. There is another reason why you should go for Dermaco's products, because all new products of Dermaco are now fragrance free, and every time you buy from them, Dermaco will link your order to a child that they help educate along with Bhumi. They have pledged to help more than 10,000 students across the year. The good news is pimple patches are suitable for everyone and every skin type people. If you have cystic or big acne, then you might have to use the patches few times to completely remove the pimple. So I guess I have covered all the points of pimple patches, and that means this is the end of the video. If you still have any question or doubt, then feel free to contact me in my Instagram and I'll give my best to clear all your doubts and questions. We will meet again in my next video. Bye bye. Oh wait. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, then you can go. Bye bye.